Welcome back to Prognosis. Have you ever wanted to document on a patient prior to them coming in the office? Maybe you have some past history information that you want to add to the chart to save time when they arrive. Well, now you can do that. You want to go to Settings, Configuration, Admin, and Properties. And in the tagline, just type the word prep. You want to go to the prognosis.visitprep.applicable and make sure it's turned on. This property is going to be red, which means you have to be an admin level user, or you have to be able to call tech support and have them turn it on for you. Once the property is on, then you can come to your patient and you have a new icon here that's called Start Visit Prep. When I click on that icon, it turns my patient's line pink. Pink means that this is a visit prep and that you have not actually arrived the patient. It still shows as scheduled. But when it's a visit prep, you can click on the patient. As you can see, the patient band is still pink, meaning it's a visit prep. And now you can go ahead and add that past history information. So I'm going to add something here. And then I'm going to just save it and close it. Okay. When I go back to my home screen, you can see that I have a little note icon here. And this is a prep note. So as I'm starting to put something into the system, I can see what I put into the system prior to starting that encounter. It's also watermarked as visit prep. So it's not an actual visit, it's just information that you've put in prior to that visit. Now, when that patient arrives, you can go ahead and mark them arrived, and then you can go ahead and start that encounter. So now the encounter top is green, but the information that you put in is now showing as part of that encounter. Now, let's say that you put in information about this patient, but the patient no-showed or canceled or something like that. The information that you have already entered remains in the system, but it will not become part of an encounter until the next encounter is open. Thank you for watching and have a great day.